Welcome to the Dormer Pramet Open House here in Barlborough. There have been people from all over the UK, from Scotland, from Deeside, North Wales, from all around Yorkshire, and also a guy from Luton, Kevin. He brought these two fighting robots because he makes these in his workshop using Dormer Pramet technology. Today we're looking at 3 live demonstrations, and we're going to find out from the customers why they love Dormer Pramet.
We're here at the Dormer Pramet Productivity Centre in Barlborough, so we're here for our open house today, so we're showcasing some of our new tools that were launched in March and also some of our hero products as well. We've got about 50 customers here today, some more turning up later, which is great to see, from all over the UK. So we've had people from Scotland, as far afield as Great Yarmouth, from the South Coast, so it's really good to see that many people come today to support us. The demos we're going to be showing today are on steel, stainless steel and Inconels.
I'm Kev, I build fighting robots and I'm looking forward to seeing some Dormer tooling.
My name is Paddy, I work for Steel Dynamics. We deal with the nuclear industry and I'm looking forward to the event at Dormer today.
I'm Kevin and I own and run a company called Kev Engineering in Luton, Bedfordshire. So I've driven a long way to come here today. I'm really interested to see some tooling today to help to see what we can do with the products we make, which are generally fighting robots for TV. So I travel the world building fighting robots for TV shows for Discovery Channel, BBC. We've been to the Middle East, we've been to China. So we deal with a lot of interesting materials. We deal with like wear plate hardox, which is a real hard steel, titanium, grade 5 titanium, like real aircraft grade aluminium. So, you know, I'm quite interested today to find out what tooling we can get to help us with these tough materials. We're looking at Dormer tooling really because I'm most interested in things like the high feeds, because we do so much with steel and again titanium. Obviously that can wear carbide tools quite quickly, so that's mainly why I'm here today, is to find out much more about the high feed and perhaps get my hand on one.
We make mainly nuclear stuff. We do a lot of stuff for Hinkley Point C, up at Sellafield, quite a few bits like that. And we're here because Dormer have supported us for the last couple of months. So Steel Dynamics are the largest UK stainless steel stock order in UK. So a lot of the stuff we deal with is like 304, 316 and like super duplex. So it's quite tough material that we deal with. But we've come down today because we're trying to increase our machining performances and our machining capabilities.
iCAM Engineering in North Wales, Deeside, and we produce cylinders that hold chemicals for the semiconductor industry, really, and we distribute them all around the world. No, I'm really looking forward to seeing the demos, seeing the milling and turning tips and inserts, what they can really do today.
So we're showing live demonstrations today because we think it's important to showcase the tools so that people can go see what they can do and get the confidence to take that away and be able to replicate it on their machine shops back at home.
So we watched, I think the first part of it was a milling demo and it's about to go into a turning demo after that. We're specifically milling at Steel Dynamics, but there's little bits in the intricacies we've took, so they were doing some circle interpolating just then, which we can take back and hopefully we've seen how fast that's running and we're going to try and bump ours up.
Taking half a day out of my working at P&R could save us a day and a half just on one job.
The demos that I've seen today have been really quite good actually, demonstrating the capabilities of the HURCO machine and obviously employed on them machines with the Dormer tooling, which, yeah, it is quite an education when you see people pushing the machine and pushing the tooling to the max. You know, you want to like go away and try and use that like ethos in your own building to hopefully make jobs even faster and more profitable, you know, at home basically.